Hi, boys and girls. It is Tuesday, December 15th, and it is our reading lesson today. Whoops. Okay, so today we're going to go over our vocabulary words, and then we're going to listen to our vocabulary story. Okay, so let's see. Yesterday we learned the words schedule, which like you follow a schedule to keep on time of something, or you make a schedule to follow. And then the other word was immediately. Like immediately means right away. So if your mom says, you need to come here immediately, she means right now. Okay, another new word is occasion. Can you say that word? Occasion. Occasion is a special time or event. So this family got together for a special occasion. It was her birthday. So sometimes we celebrate a special occasion with a party, birthday party. Okay, our second word of today is weekend. So look on the calendar. They crossed off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are school days, or when we do our school work. And then the weekend is the Saturday and Sunday, the S days. So the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. There is no school on the weekend, so the children stay home and play. And our last one is calendar. Calendar. Well, we do calendar at school, don't we? A calendar is a chart that shows the days, weeks, and months in a year. And on our calendar here, we have just each month, so our month is displayed. Juan looks at the calendar to count the days until Thanksgiving. Right now, we're doing our countdown to Santa Claus, aren't we? Okay. And let's look at our words of the week, our high-frequency words. Or sight words. We have away. We're looking up here in the corner. Away. Some. Way. Now. Today. And why. Those are our words and our vocabulary words. We're learning each week we learn new words and what they mean. Plus we learn new words that we need to be able to read. And we have spelling words that we have to learn how to spell. Okay, so yesterday we did our big book, which was A Second is a Hiccup. Okay. Now today we're going to read our vocab cards. And I'll show I have them too. So it's called Measuring Time. Okay, so this one, page number 1, has the word schedule on it. Seconds, minutes, hours. We use these measurements of time to help us stay on time. Think about where you see clocks. They're on wristwatches, on classroom walls, in train stations, and on cell phones. People check the time many times a day. People think about the time all day long. You want to get to school on time. Your parents want to go to bed on time. Everyone has a schedule. That's why you see clocks all around. A clock divides the day into equal parts. Each hour has 60 minutes. Every minute has 60 seconds. We use hours and minutes to organize our schedules every day. People use clocks all day long. So here's a regular clock, but it's like an alarm clock with the regular face. Here's a digital clock that I talked about yesterday. And then this is like a clock tower. Sometimes those are called cuckoo clocks if the bird comes out and says cuckoo on the hour. And that has the regular face also. But the numbers are a little bit different on that one. Nope, that one has regular numbers. Sometimes they have Roman numeral numbers on them. Okay, so we have weekend is going to be on this one and occasion. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There are 7 days in each week. Do you know what day today is? Today is Tuesday. We name the days for the same reason that we use clocks with hours and minutes. They help people to measure time. If your friend invited you to play at his house on Friday, you wouldn't want to show up on Thursday by mistake. For kids, Monday through Fridays are typical school days. For adults, that stretch of 5 days is often called the work week. Luckily for everyone, Saturdays and Sundays come every weekend. Many adults don't work on the weekend, and most children don't have school. So weekends are the perfect time to relax and have some fun. Many families treat every weekend like it is a special occasion because it is a time to be together. Some families have family nights with movies and popcorn. Other families take trips to the zoo, ride bikes, or just stay home and play games together. And now this year with the COVID and pandemic, we spend a lot of time at home together, don't we? With our families. Calendar is on this page. Some kids have a soccer game every Saturday. Some have a piano lesson every Tuesday. How does your family keep track of activities like this? Many families write everything down on a monthly calendar. Calendars help us to track days, weeks, and months. They help us organize our plans. Some families hang a 12-month calendar in the kitchen. They mark everybody's activities and important events on it. If you flip through a calendar, you will see all 12 months of the year. A month has between 28 and 31 days. Every month has special celebrations or holidays. Look through a calendar to find out what is coming up next. Calendars are a fun and helpful way to plan your days, weeks, and months. You can look through a calendar and keep track of the time until your favorite holiday. And just like we have our school calendar, but then I also keep a calendar over by my computer that just shows me, I write down every activity or something special that we're doing here so I can remember what we're supposed to do here at school. And here's all the seasons. A year is a long time, but how long is it? Well, it depends on how you measure the time. A year is 365 days, but it's also 52 weeks. And don't forget about months. How many months make up a year? 12. Just as minutes make up an hour, seasons make up a year. The change from one season to the next happens every 3 months, giving us 4 seasons to enjoy every year. In many places, the weather changes as the season does. It doesn't change immediately, like right now, but it changes a little every day. So we were changing from fall to winter right now. So it doesn't just automatically snow and it's really cold right away. It gets gradually colder and colder and colder till it's full winter. In the spring, buds appear on trees and flowers blossom. The summer brings warm weather and summer vacation. In autumn, or fall, the air turns cooler in many places. Green leaves turn red, orange, and yellow, and then fall off the trees. Next up is winter, and lots of snow may fall if you're in the northern United States. And snow means sledding. As the seasons change, they remind us that time is passing too. Soon another year will begin, and that means more days, weeks, months, and seasons to enjoy. So we're almost the first day of winter. The first day of winter is towards the end of December, the official first day of winter. So it's getting colder and colder and colder every day. Okay, so that's all about time. That's our vocab story for today. So we learned some new words. Okay, so now I would like to, we're gonna get our O paper, practice book paper. Whoops, that wasn't good. I just X'd out of everything. I get back into okay, there we go. We need this one, which I didn't show you at the beginning. And this side is really phonics. It's with your long A, but we do it together when reading because of the back. Okay, so I will give you directions for this, and then you can pause me and do it, or I'll give you directions for both, and then you can pause me and do it then. Okay, so the word at has a short A sound. Add E to the end to make 8. The A consonant E spelling makes the long A sound in 8. So read the words in the box. Listen for the long A sound. Write the word that names each picture. Okay, so let's just look at the first one together. Has the E. They all have the E on the end. So the A says A. So you go g-8, gate. That one says gate. Okay, so you would read them and write them next to the correct picture. Then on the bottom, you write a sentence using one of these words. That's how you do that side. Okay. If you want to do it right now, pause me to do it. Okay, on this side, let me make it smaller a little bit. We have to match the sentence to the picture. So these have our words from the week. Let me see if I have I don't know where I laid. Oh, they're right in front of me. So let's look at them again. Away, today, why, way. So this one's why, way, some, now, back to away. Okay, so these words are in your sentences and they're bold, darkened. So I cannot go out today. So you find a picture that goes with that and draw a line to match it. So that's how you do that side. Go ahead and pause me and do this side and the other side if you haven't done it. Okay, make sure you send that picture to your teacher. All right, so now let's get our little books and let's get open to Nate the Snake is Late. The story we read yesterday. Remember yesterday I told you we're going to reread today. Oh. Go. Nate the Snake is Late. Okay, first time through, I'm just going to read it, and I just want you to follow along with me. Okay? I mean, you can read with me, or you can just use your finger to point and just watch the words as I read them. Okay? Nate the Snake is Late. It is 8 o'clock, and I cannot be late. I do not wish to make my pals wait. I must be there at 10:30, but I have lots of time until then. At last I am set and on my way there, but I think I still have some time to spare. I wade in this lake as frogs hop away. I do not think they wish to play. The sun is hot and I nap on a rock. Then I wake up and gaze at the clock. Drats! It is 10 o'clock. Can it be? Will my pals still be there for me? I dash up a lane and past the gate. I am on my way, but am I late? My 6 best pals sit with Miss Tate. I tell them all why I am late. They grin at me and then they say, now we can hear the story today. So they waited for him. Okay, so now what I would like you to do is to read the story to either someone that's there that can listen, and if not, that's okay. I want you to read it by yourself the best you can. Okay, so if you come to a word that you cannot figure out and there's no one there to ask, you just need to skip it and then keep going. Don't give up. Okay, don't give up. So if you're at a word and you can't figure it out, keep going past it and then maybe you can go and figure it out. But if not, it's okay to skip a word if you have to. Don't give up. All right, so practice and read the whole Nate the Snake is Late. And that's the end. After my video, make sure you read that. And that's the end of our reading today on Tuesday. So I will see you guys tomorrow for a reading. And also, today's Tuesday, so I think I'm the math lesson today. I'm doing the math lesson today. All right, bye guys.